How to create the Ulta Beauty account on the website. Hi everyone. Creating an Ulta Beauty website is simple and only takes a few minutes. So here is a step-by-step guide that we can follow for that. So let's get started. So we can head over to a browser for that, open up a browser, and once we open up the browser, we can go over to the website, which is Ulta Beauty. This one right here, and open it up. Once we open it up from this following site, we can directly look out for this profile option in the top right corner and click on it. That should lead us to the login page right here. Now, if we want to create an account, what we can do is we can scroll down and find the section called Create Account Instead and click on it, and we can start up the process. So first of all, we can enter up our name, and right below it, we can enter up our last name. After that, our email address, our phone number. So go ahead and provide it up here. Once it is done, your email address that you will be using in order to create the account, and then a password. So you can use any of the password available. Once it is done, you can select a state, what state you belong from, and your date of birth. After that, you can select this option if you want emails and click on this option called continue. And after you fill the form and accept it to the terms and conditions and everything, you will be creating an account. You can continue and you can check your email for confirmation link and you can activate it that way. And once you do so, you will be having an account and you can shop online, track your orders on, earn the rewards through the Ulta Beauty Rewards free program, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. For now, we hope this video was helpful to you. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.